Hi there, students. Malversation. Malversation. Okay, this is a noun. I think generally it's uncountable, but it could be countable as well. Malversation is behaving corruptly, doing illegal things, particularly for somebody who is in a position of authority. So, for example, malversation of public funds. This is where the Prime Minister spends public funds to take him and a girlfriend for a 2-week holiday in the Seychelles. Yeah. Malversation, this is particularly by somebody in power, by somebody who has authority. Yeah, so this is public misconduct, professional or public misconduct. I think more commonly public. Well, professional, it depends. Yeah, malversation by a judge. Yeah. Malversation of money, fraudulent behaviour, extortion or corruption by somebody in public office, somebody in a position of trust. Okay, so malversation. Yeah, if you're a politician, then everybody suspects you of malversation, of misconduct, of wrongdoing, yeah, of transgressing the moral laws, or the actual laws as well. Yeah, malversation normally is a criminal offence. Okay, so malversation, corrupt behaviour in a position of trust. Malversation could be voting in favour of something in return for money or for other favours. Yeah, I think if you are in public office, you have a public position, then malversation suddenly becomes a very easy thing. Yeah, malversation, this is where you administer something corruptly. Yeah. If you have a position where you have a commission to do something, then if you do it to favour yourself, or you do it illegally, then this is malversation. This is quite a rare word in English, but I think it's quite good. I would strongly suggest you use this word malversation in your formal essays. Yeah, it's corrupt conduct, fraudulent practices, particularly in public office. Yeah, I think malversation, this is a word you would find in a legal dictionary. Yeah, malversation of funds, malversation of influence, malversation, acting corruptly when you've been trusted to do things correctly. Okay, so malversation. Yeah, effectively not doing what you're supposed to be doing. Yeah, you have a position of public trust. Yeah, you have public office, and you're expected to act legally. Malversations where you don't, particularly malversation for your own benefit. Yeah, malversation of public funds, spending public money on personal things. Okay, so as I said, I think a 7 in formality, use it in a semi-formal writing or a formal writing. And then as to origin, this comes from Latin, from male versare. Male, badly, bad, and versare, to behave. Yeah, so to behave badly. We also have a word in Spanish, malversación. Malversación is embezzlement, and effectively, yeah, malversation is embezzlement. You're taking money that doesn't belong to you. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Malversation.